Have you ever wondered how judges make decisions, ensuring fairness and consistency across countless cases? They are not simply making things up as they go along, but are guided by a structured legal framework. Differentiating binding from persuasive precedent is absolutely essential because it establishes which past court decisions judges are legally obligated to follow and which they may thoughtfully consider. This fundamental distinction maintains judicial consistency, predictability, and fairness throughout the entire legal system. Binding precedent, often called mandatory authority, originates from higher courts within the same geographical and judicial hierarchy. For instance, a ruling from a state's highest court is mandatory for all lower courts in that state. This principle is grounded in stare decisis, a Latin phrase meaning to stand by things decided, which ensures legal stability and avoids arbitrary rulings. Conversely, persuasive precedent includes decisions from courts in different jurisdictions, lower courts, or even respected legal scholars. While not obligatory, it can powerfully influence a judge's reasoning if the arguments presented are sound and applicable. To effectively navigate these legal waters, practitioners carefully identify binding precedent by meticulously analyzing the court's hierarchy and the specific jurisdiction involved in the prior ruling. They confirm that the previous decision came from a superior court within the relevant judicial system. When considering persuasive precedent, legal experts evaluate its relevance to the current facts, the issuing court's reputation, and the logical strength of its underlying legal reasoning. This clear distinction is not just an academic exercise, it is the bedrock of legal strategy and forecasting. Legal strategists use this knowledge to anticipate judicial outcomes and construct more compelling arguments for their cases. It underscores the crucial balance between judicial independence, allowing judges to weigh unique facts, and the imperative for a stable, coherent body of law. An example of this dynamic is how a well-reasoned dissenting opinion from a high court, though not binding, can become highly persuasive in future cases as legal interpretations evolve. Ultimately, by rigorously distinguishing between binding and persuasive precedent, legal systems uphold their foundational commitment to both consistency in judgment and the necessary adaptability for legal evolution. This dual capacity is vital, ensuring that justice is applied predictably while also allowing for progress and public confidence in judicial decision-making.